Hello friend, welcome you on Lamror Academy. I am Rajendra Lamror. I am telling about the switch case statement in C programming. Why we are using switch case statement or how to use the switch case statement, what is the switch, what is the nested switch statement. We will go through all these points. The switch case we are using generally when we are not using if else. Basically we have many if else conditions, so the program will be taking a much more time to running your code and complexity of program will be increasing. So because of that reason we are using switch case, so it will be reduce your time as well as complexity. So we can use a switch case statement. One switch can enter, we can use another switch statement, another switch case conditions. So how is the working? So I am showing you the one syntax of switch case. Writing the simple switch expression, whatever your expression can be character, can be integer, or here you writing case or expression. If expression is matching with this case, then we reading those statement reading between the statement on the break conditions. If you do not, the break is optional. If you do not put the break, then we running the next case as also. So we should put the break after the each case. If this case not matching, then check the next case. If all case is not matching, then finally we run the default. If any case will match, then do not running the default. So how is working this switch case? So I am showing the one flowchart diagram. So see here, first we came from the making the variable any integer or character, then checking with the switch expressions. If expression is matching with case 1, then we reading this block of code and then came out. If you putting the break, if you do not put the break, then went for next case. If we matching the all case are not matched, then we expression will be went for the default, and if whatever you return the condition default, this will run and came outside the loop. Okay, so here I am showing the condition you have seen. This is nested switch case. So now I am showing the one example how to use the switch and nested switch. So see here, I have taken one example, include.stdio.h. I have imported a file. I have taken integer main function, but then I take the character variable b. Okay, then I putting the grade switch. If case equal to a, then I putting excellent, or if condition is b, then this one, condition is c, this one. So simple. If I am putting here a, means what happened, it should print the excellent and went outside the loop, outside the switch case. So see here, I am putting this excellent word will come and grade will go outside the switch case. Okay, if you do not put the break, then what will happen? So here I am showing the with b. If you have seen in, we haven't printed anything inside the b, but if you put something we want to print, then we just copy and pasting here, putting printing is done in b. If we done is printing is done in a b, then went to c, because we do not print the break statement. Then whatever written in c will be run, and then we break, then came outside the switch case. So now you can see here, done, then well done, or then came outside the switch, or grade is b. So you can see what is the value of break here, or how to use nested switch case. So now I am showing the one example. So put here, I have taken a new variable is t equal to, let's consider I have taken r. Okay, my name is Rajendra, so I putting r. So here I am using a switch case. So I am putting another switch case. So here I am putting the t inside, then I putting the variable here. Okay, so end of variable I putting the break condition. So if here I am putting case, if we matching with a r, then we will be printed, then we printing here something. Okay, so if I am putting here Rajendra, so if we matching this one, then switch case will be run this one, or if not matching this one, then we run default. Here I can put anything else. Here I am putting simply Lamror UFA ULT default. Okay, so now I am running this code. So you can see here one came from Rajendra, then came from Lamror. You are not putting the break condition, then came default age is B is Karen. So now I am showing you a good example, putting here n, then putting the here break condition, okay, or then I putting here slash n. So now you can see only showing the output is Rajendra, or then came outside this break condition. Okay, so if I am putting something else rather than R L, then what will happen is default will be run and then came outside. This run is wrong or default and then come outside. If putting both are wrong, okay, so both the default will be run and then came outside. So here both the default run, first running is the default, okay, invalid grade became and your grade will be something else. Okay, thank you friends, I hope you will get something useful information. If you have any doubt still, comment below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you friends.